Guys, right now I'm on the website of Japan Airlines, as you can see. Now, what I'll do is I'll show you the current promotion which is running on Japan Airlines Mileage Bank. So let's log in. Now I'm going to log in with my account. Now, for those who don't have a Japan Airlines account already, they would have to first create a Japan Airlines account. And obviously, because there's a 60-day waiting period, you can't actually use your account for this promotion, but at least you will understand how the Japan Airlines program works. Many people say that this is a pretty complicated program. Yes, it is a bit complicated, but once you understand the steps, then you can actually do it very easily. So right now I'm in my Japan Airlines Mileage Bank account. You can see. So you can see that I have some miles already, and therefore there's an option called redeem your miles. I click on this plus sign. I go to Japan Airlines award ticket. When I go into this, here you have domestic tickets and availability. Here you have international tickets and availability. Now it's very easy. You can go to the international ticket seat availability and you will see the full calendar. I'll get a password. So once I am logged in with my password, I can select the departure region. So India falls in Southeast Asia. So you can see the cities are Bangkok, Bangalore, Delhi, Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh, Jakarta, KL, Manila, and Singapore. So from India, there's only Delhi and Bangalore. I select business class. I select search and destination city, all cities, Japan. So basically, it will give you all the cities which are there within those results. You can see the lot of cities are there for 56,000 miles per person return. So let's go to Tokyo. You can see 56,000 miles. So it'll show us the dates. You can put the dates, departure dates. So let me just put 10th of May. Duration is 15 days. Flight changes. So for 10th of May, the results are slightly higher, but it will show you the full month calendar, at which is the lowest day and which is the highest day. As I can see, for lowest day, I am getting an option on 11th of May and 12th of May. Then again, in I'm getting a date for 17th, 18th, and 19th. So let's say I select 11th of May. It shows 56,000 miles. That means that 11th of May to 26th of May, I will get those. So let us say I put 2 adults and 2 kids and I start booking. It takes me to the engine. I think there are no 4 tickets. So that's why it's showing me higher miles here. But if I see 12th of May, for 12th of May, I'm seeing 11,000 rupees plus 28,000 miles. And then 26th of May, I'm again seeing 28,000 miles and 14,000 rupees. So basically, you can see the availability. The availability is available from April till 30th of September. Not all the dates are available, but yes, we can choose the dates for Japan trip, and you can select any city within Japan. So the hopping flight will also be included. So that's the biggest advantage. You can choose a date of your liking based on this calendar. And the next step is basically you go ahead and they have given a warning that it's a late night departure flight. You continue. Let's go to the step till where you have to put the booking details. And you can see for 4 people who are traveling on this flight, business class tickets, 2.24 lakh miles and 1 lakh rupees. Now it will ask for all details of the family, their names, passport number, etc. So you must have these ready with you and you can input all these. And once you put all these details, you can actually go to the next step where you'll put your contact details, phone numbers, etc. And then you will go to the next step, which is the booking step. So I don't think I'll be able to go to this step, but this is all very self-explanatory. The next step is basically the service selection step. So once you put in all the service selection requirements, then you will be able to go and complete the booking and make the payment. So this is a pretty interesting promo. Normally, India to Japan return is 100,000 JAL miles plus taxes. And that would normally give you a value of 2 rupees, a bit more than 2 rupees on a standard date. But here you are actually getting value of almost 4 to 5 rupees very easily using this promotion because there's a discount. And this is something which is not seen. So For 56,000 miles, you are able to get a ticket for business class return per person, which is absolutely fantastic. If this is a 2.5 lakh rupees ticket, so we are basically paying 56,000 miles plus around 25,000 rupees, 75,000 rupees total for a 2.5, 3 lakh rupees ticket in one of the best airlines in the world. I did try for premium economy as well, and for economy, there also you're getting 30% discount, and that's also a phenomenal value. So let's just go and see what's the price for the premium economy and how much are the taxes. Okay, same dates. So let's see premium economy first. I tried first class, but I could not see any availability in first class, even for a single passenger. Even the premium economy is very good for Japan Airlines. Yes, so premium economy is actually there only for 17,500 miles and almost 14,000 rupees. So this is fantastic value. And let's try to see what's the price for economy. And for economy, it is actually even lower. So economy, you are just paying 12,250 miles. So basically 24,500 miles, you can do a return trip in economy in Japan Airlines plus the taxes. So this is roughly the same price as on a sale, but with miles. So obviously you'll have to pay taxes extra. Eventually, even if you consider 1 mile equal to 1 rupee, it is 56, 57,000 rupees. But yeah, that is what you are paying. But the real game actually happens in business where let's say if we just do a search on jan.com, JP, sorry, and I select language as English and see what's the price. Need to Tokyo. So I'm just seeing business class tickets on Japan Airlines own website. What is the price that they're quoting for the same set of dates? So the same set of dates, Japan Airlines business class is one way is 1.05 and return is 1.05. So basically 2.1 lakh rupees ticket uh, that you are getting, and you are roughly going to pay 25,000 taxes and 56,000 miles. Yeah. So roughly getting around 3 times the value that you would get, which is again phenomenal on Japan Airlines. And obviously, this is the end of the Sakura season also. So if you can just make it to the northern part of Japan or the northern islands, then you can always have some glimpse of Sakura also. But yeah, I think this is a very interesting case. And in case you already have Japan Airline miles in your account, like I have, or you have miles in HSBC or HDFC, which you can transfer quickly. So you still have 2 days. Tomorrow, the 16th is the last day of the promo. And if you can, then you can make the best out of it. Plenty of availability even now. So just make the best of it and book your ticket as soon as possible. Obviously, you can also do till end of September, and based on your preferences, when you plan to go, you can decide your dates. So that's it, guys, from our side. A very quick guide on this promo. Hope this is very helpful to you, and hope you're able to book some fantastic reward tickets on Japan Airlines. Thank you so much.